Okay, so let's look at blow out, boil down, and break off. So blow out, to put something out. I will blow out the candle. Blow out the light, turn off the light. And or blow out like something was amazing, it was a total blowout. You know, the whale blew out the water from its snout. And boil down, to get to the basics of something. We will boil it down to its basics. I want to boil it down to its fundamentals, to understand the principles behind it. When you boil it down, they were wrong. When you boil it down, they know what they're doing. When you boil it down, they understand what they can and can't do, ultimately. And break off, to separate something. They will break off and start their own team. I've had enough of this. I'm going to break off and start my own. They will break off soon and go their own way. If you don't help them, they will break off and leave. Break off from the party and leave. Break off to separate from something. How cool is that? So blow out, boil down to get to the basics, blow out to put out something, get to the basics, and separate something, break off. I'm going to break off from the main caravan and go that way instead. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.